What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Neil K Trades. Just looking at markets right now. Woke up a little late today, not gonna lie. Currently at all-time highs. Yeah, let's just. I'm not gonna have too much of an intro. Let's just get right into the charts. So got this fair value gap here after sweeping all-time highs again. Marked out this draw on liquidity. And this draw on liquidity. I could draw this one from market open. I'm gonna draw it. But I like to keep it simple. Usually have 2 to 3 targets. Let me say this is a DOL. So I'm waiting to see if this gets inversed. Then I would maybe consider shorts to this level. And this is going to be a risky one, in my opinion. I'm going to go ahead and limit sell one. We should get entered here. We are at all-time high, so I'm a little... It's only a 9-point stop. Let's do 10 points. Again, we are at all-time highs, so this is a bit risky, in my opinion, not gonna lie. Should fill my order.
Order filled.
Targeting these lows. Set take profit there. So that's my entry. So targeting these lows here, I want to see a flush. Again, I really don't like shorting all-time highs. I got burnt quite a bit last week doing this, but let's see how this plays out. Yeah, like this isn't ideal. For closing out of this fair value gap, I ideally want to close out my position. But we got the sweep of all-time highs. Got that V-shaped reversal. Inverse this fair value gap. So I would want to see price move down here. My daily bias on the day was long, only because we are at all-time highs. I put that down in my journal. But we've been moving quite good on the day, so I do want to see a flush here. So I'm setting my break even at this level. So this is a good reaction so far. I'll see continuation here. If this plays out, it should play out fairly quick. Otherwise, we're just gonna go back up to all-time highs. Coming up on my break-even level. So like I said in my trade recap video, when I close at this level, I'm moving my stop to break even there. So right now I'm risking 200 on the trade, and when we close at this level, I'm risking $0 on the trade. So it's quite ideal for me. So we're coming up on this level. Don't want to see any wicking like this, otherwise I'm gonna want to close out my trade. And we still have 20 seconds left in this candle, but any premium wick like this is going to signify a move back up. So 10 seconds here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So we did premium wick there, but sellers are still in control here. Conviction is rather high here. Coming up on my break-even level here. We touched it, but did not close in there. It's currently 10:07 a.m. for me, my time. I'll go over some good trades that I could have taken earlier in the day. Do I have it marked out? No, I don't. I'll show y'all. Yeah, almost need to close below that break-even level. I think sellers might be done here. Need that sharp reaction. I mean, we did touch it, so I'm considering stopping out at break even if we come back up here. See, more than anything, I like managing my risk. If I can control how much I'm risking, that's ideal for me. Yeah, see, we're getting that strong reaction there, so I'm moving stop loss to break even. So we did touch it, we didn't get the closure, but for my peace of mind, we're putting it on at risk-free. We have another 15 seconds left in this candle. Ideally, I want to see a large wick here, and then close like down here, or even close red. Shorting all-time highs is not easy. So for continuation further down, we'd want to see this fair value gap get tagged into and then move further down. So we want to accumulate orders here and move in our original direction. If we inverse this, then we're moving right back up to all-time highs. So buyers are really in control here. This was a 4 RR trade, so this was a bit high. Typically, ICT says you want to have like at least a 1 RR trade if you're going to be shorting all-time highs, so did not listen to that, I'm not going to lie. I do like this. If we can start moving back down here, that would be really nice. So I need a sharp green candle down, or red candle. And for the CISD, that would be right there. So that'll give me extra confirmation that we're moving lower. This did look like a good entry though, but this is the reality of shorting all-time highs. It's not for the faint-hearted. Another 10 seconds left in this candle. Yeah, it's looking quite bullish. We're still not closed outside of this though. Price is probably going to take me out here. If not, we're going to get another wick like that and move right back down. Because again, fair value gaps, they accumulate orders and send it in the original direction. But if we inverse this, we're moving right back up to these levels. Yeah. So we did not inverse that yet. We do have another 30 seconds left in this candle, but ideally, for me, I want to see no closure above this. So we have another 10 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No closure. Still no closure. But we are slowly grinding higher. So if we are going bearish here, we did accumulate orders here, filled them, need the CISD, and we should get that continuation to go back down. So looking for that CISD, price needs to close below this candle. In my previous video I said CISD is when you have a series of down close candles and whatever breaks that. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles here. You want to see this level get broken for continuation lower, which we are getting. So that was a good reaction. Tag into that CISD, it should move lower. Should get slippage here. Fast. So I've only been in this trade for about, what, like 10 minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yeah, 10 minutes. Currently up 390. Oh, okay, yeah, 390. Stops are at break even. I'm gonna put it at 15 just because I don't want to deal with the fees of opening and closing the account, so $15 will cover all those fees. Or not the account, for opening and closing the position. Again, I just want to see a fast dump. I know sometimes just to pass time when someone break even. Scroll Instagram reels. It's like I don't want to overmanage this trade, you know. Yeah, 11 minutes, almost 12 in this trade. Now we have this gap to go off of. I'm expecting slippage here. It's having a hard time. I don't know, what are we breaking? What are we tagging into? Is this wick, this series of up close candles. Again, want to see that slippage here. Really want to see it continue down. So let me just move this over, just so it's a little easier to look for me, to view at that CISD. Break-even level was hit. It's still 11:15. $30 seconds left on this candle. If we can close like this candle, like a large wick, yeah, like that. A large wick on the top there and a small body, that would be very ideal. That would be very bearish. 2, 1. Alright, so we didn't really get that, but it still looks it still does look bearish. I just don't like that we're having trouble here. We are forming an order block, so I want to see an order block get formed and then move lower. Still need to cook lunch. I'm kind of hungry. It's only 10 a.m. I'm thinking about lunch. Sellers. Where are you at? There you are. Come on, sellers. Hit my TP so I can go eat food. Again, all-time highs usually have a slow grind down. Like they'll have a sharp move, order block, another sharp move, do whatever, and then take profit. So far not bad. If I was going in 2 contracts, I would have TP1 set here. But I only go in 1 contract. I like minimal risk. So how many points away are we from my 18 points? That can come really fast. Like this move down here, it's 20, it's 18. So I need this to this again down here. So not bad. Stupid fucking market. Oh, I don't think I can swear. Yeah, I don't know about YouTube guidelines. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I can swear. I don't give a shit. Fuck YouTube. I don't need their money. So this is my first trade of the day, first trade of the week. Not gonna lie, this was very hard to sit through. Just no good price action. I got on the charts at like here. It's just so boring to watch. Honestly, that's a fat trade right there. If you hit that low. Honestly, could on the day. 50 points, that's 1,000. Nah, that's too much. I don't like that. Keep things simple. Keep things easy for me. Just don't want to expect too much from the markets. I'm going to be conservative with my take profit. It's the level shown to me, it's the level I'm going to go with. And 40 points, still good by me. So sometimes I would set take profit here just to secure profits, but that's no fun. Or even here. That's no fun. That's like me thinking the negatives of this trade. This is gonna hit TP. Buyers are running out of steam. They ran out of steam on this. So another sharp candle down like this would be ugly. Take a look at the 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minute. That candle just opened. We want to see it dump here. Yeah, so like these wicks, like this, these premium, kind of not premium wicks, they just signify to me which direction we're going in. So if we're accumulating a lot of sellers here and then moving back up, then that's not ideal. But we do have this order block here. I'd want to see it get tagged into and then move lower. And a large wick to the upside here. Yeah, like that. Now I want to see it dump. And let me mark out the new CISD. So yeah, these large wicks, very ideal for me. I want to see it dump. How long have we been in this trade? 20 minutes. It's a little bit long, I'm not gonna lie. 6, 5, 4. Yeah, it's not ideal. I want to see. Yeah. Okay. No, that's good. So it should be like this. Just slow grind and then a big dump. But I am expecting a lot from this trade. 4RR is a lot. Even that. 2RR. Again, ICT says shorting all-time highs, you should want a 1. Like 2 to 1. 1 to 1 RR. Tagging back into this fair value gap. See if we can use it to move lower. Maybe not. This is a long trade. I like that. See if we can hold that. Yeah. Didn't close outside of it. Didn't inverse it. So that's good. Something like this would be nice again. Just don't pass my CISD. Do you have the macro coming up in about 25 minutes? That's not good. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's not good. I need the dump. I need the dump. It's going on a bit longer than I expected. It's a long trade. See if we can get the closure outside of this for value. I'll confirm that we're going lower. There we go. So again, accumulated more sell orders, induced buyers to move it in the original direction. Yeah, so we should. So tagged into it again. See if we get a premium look here. What was news again? Hold on. Kind of a slow day for news, not gonna lie. Let's see. Oh, I just opened that. No. Huh. Damn. Yeah, Apple shares up 4.1%. So NASDAQ typically has it's heavy tech. So if Apple shares are up that, we may see price start moving back up here, and it may take me out at break even. You gotta look at the overall market. We're still gonna get the closure outside of this. We did get this closure though, so it's a little confusing. We closed out, ripped back up, and we're all the way back up here again. Apple shares up 4.1%. Seconds here. So this was a good move overall. But what's happening here? What is happening here? We got that candle dump that I wanted, but we just came right back up on that. Yikes. Well, thank you, Apple. Oh, the reason I get stopped at break even. We're 5 points from my break even. We should get this closure outside. If not, large premium wick like that. Yes, yes. 10 seconds. You want a premium wick me and then move to take profit? 2, 1. Damn, we got the closure outside. So that is now an inverse fair value gap. Yeah, I forgot I had a credit card bill due today. Yikes. What day is it today? It's a very long trade. Price action, so icky today. What's gold at? 3,700. Gold is ripping. Usually when gold rips, this dumps, so they're inversely correlated. So it's a little weird. At $10, I should cover my fees. Yeah, that's tough. We did get a really good reaction off this, where just how the cookie crumbles. We didn't want to go to my full take profit. Should be taking me out here. Like, it'll just do that. It'll just premium wick like that. Especially with like 15 seconds left in that candle. So weird. what, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like premium wicks usually mean we're gonna go in the opposite direction of where it wicks, so. Damn. So yeah, we use this to accumulate orders and we're gonna move it higher from the looks of it. Unless this candle closes inside here and starts moving lower, that's what it's using this pool for. So we got the closure inside. So you want to see continued dumping here. Let me delete this. Oh, yikes. So it's got that dump here and then a series of up close candles. So the CISD would be here. Mark that out for you guys. So closure outside of it would be really nice. That's a fat dump. Really big dump. There's a CISD. Holy shit. What is going on here? What is going on here? That is brutal. That is brutal. What am I missing? Someone get bombed? Transfer rumors, Holland, Camavinga, Benzema, Rashford. That's not the news. What the fuck is happening here? I mean, I'm okay with it, but like, damn. What the fuck happened? Let me check Twitter. Or X. I have no idea. Man, it got bought up just as quick as it dumped, but damn. Should be hitting my take profit here soon. What time do you guys think? Trading isn't gambling, but I think it's gonna happen at 40, so in 5 minutes. You know what? Nah, I think it'll happen in 2 minutes. But damn, that was brutal. It was only like 12 points, but like, damn. So we were very close to getting stopped out at break even. That's why a lot of traders I know will just keep their stop loss at that stop loss level. Because like, they say, where's your conviction? Like, you should have conviction in your trade. Why are you exiting at break even if your original trade idea was going short? homie's roasting me on Snap for no reason. $35 this is a long trade. I said it'd take me out this next candle, so let's see. That's not happening. Maybe 40. Maybe 50. If we get taken out at the macro. Price is so choppy today. Look at that. Again, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Like, that is as disgusting as this candle. So I want to see a red candle take all of this out. Like all of this and close below this. It just loves this fair value gap. Or this inverse now. I mean, it tagged into this new one. Let's see if it collected more orders before moving back down. Yeah, new CISD. I think if we close below this CISD, we should get a quick take profit here. We should hit TP very quick after this closure below here. 8 seconds left on this. Again, I want to see it close like down here. Not ideal. Even this next candle, it needs to, yeah, it needs to dump. But buyers really don't want it to dump. I said it like 10 times, but that's all-time highs. How many points are we up? 19. Almost 20. So we pretty much are halfway in this trade. Seconds left in this candle. Still not getting that closure down here. Still want to see it really dump here. That candle is a bit better, but we need continuation. But based on this dump, should get one here. It's like the market structure has presented itself as bearish to me. It's one of the longest trades I've been in a long time. And that's Monday, huh? Not ideal. Unless we get a large wick up here, but we have 4 seconds to do that. What are the odds of that? Pff, really slim. We tagged into this order block, so we might start moving up higher here, back to these levels. Unfortunate, man. Am I seeing that right? Got that large wick. That's nice. That is nice. That wick was nice. Should move lower with that. Seven minutes from the macro. This trade feels like the little engine that could. It's so slow. You can do it. You can do it, little engine. Let's get that dog. Shit, my bad. I need to go get my microphone from my mom's house. I don't have any microphone here at my apartment. I have a Blue Yeti at home. I need to come. Audio quality will significantly improve. It's now or never. Do it. Do it. I know you want to. I saw TJR in a video pulling out the hammer or the axe, grinding it down, or the magnet. Oh, I find that so cringe. No, I'm not doing that. That's so cringe. You'll never catch me magnetizing price. Like, what price are gonna listen to your chart drawings? No. This green candle was not what I wanted. I wanted a red candle on this one. Did not want that. We got that premium wick. We're coming up on the macro, so maybe they're either inducing buyers or the macro is bullish. But going into lunch, I expect price to dump. So you tagged into this fair value gap. Yeah, I want to see price dump. Because we tagged into it once, twice, 3 times. Quit playing games. Quit playing iTag. Come holler at your boy. Seven seconds, 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, dump. Alright, you got a doji. Not gonna lie, this is looking a little bullish. Unless we get a dump here in the next minute or two, like this. This is gonna go back up. Sellers. This is a struggle. Maybe I shouldn't short all-time highs. Yeah. Yikes. Yikes, 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 yikes. Such a long trade. Got that premium wick here. That's not ideal at all. But yeah, a lot of my mentors, like Dodgy, ICT, I do follow PB trading. They all say shorting all-time highs is a dangerous game to play. Excuse me. We're a minute from the macro. Usually the macro candle will tell us what we're doing. So like in my other trade recap video, I was trading this exact time and it gave me the candle that I wanted at 11:50. So it's starting to prepare. It's looking like the macro is going to be bullish based on just how this candle is formed. We still have 30 seconds left, so you never know, but the next candle will be the deciding factor on where price is moving for lunch. Ten, 9, 8. Sounds like a spaceship countdown. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. 11:50. Ah, yeah, it's bullish, isn't it? I don't want it to be, but I think that's how it is. That's how it goes. Back at this level here. Yep. Like clockwork. I don't know, let's see though. Wow. That looks very bearish. Yo, you guys see this chop? Disgusting. Horrid. How long have I been recording? 50 minutes. Yikes. This macro is so slow. Based on this candle, the macro is bearish. Based on my experience, at least. Don't quote me. I'm not an ICT god. I want to see that get taken out. It's not a lot to ask for either. Just price is so slow right now. It's like it doesn't want to rip. It doesn't want to dip. It's kind of comical. Or it doesn't want to rip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we've tagged into this fair value gap. At some point, we just gotta fail. Either to the upside or downside. And we've 13 seconds left on this candle. So we closed inside of it. Not good. Not good at all. See how this one we wicked and we just came right back down, but we didn't get any dump here. Closing inside of it means we're accumulating more orders, whether to the upside or downside. So this might get inversed here. Yeah, I want to wick like that and then just dump. But we've not been getting it because price is being difficult today. Very, very difficult. At least with me. I put myself in this position, so I can't complain. 10 points from my stop. Currently up 11 points on this trade. Yeah, 30-point dump's a lot to ask for. I mean, is it though? Is it? I don't think so. Yeah, we got a closure outside of it. Again, no trend line liquidity here. It's times like these where you gotta be patient and be humble. If the market isn't doing what you want it to do, be humble. Take it on the shoulder. Live to see another day. Secure profit to see another day. So in this case, I got the dump I wanted. I said I wanted to see it tag into the fair value gap, accumulate the orders, which it did a lot of, then dump in the original direction. So next thing that I'm looking for, 7 seconds till price closes. I want to see price close, yeah, below here, and we did engulf this candle. Another wick. Three minutes to the top of the hour. $20 left on this candle. I want to see it close below here. I want to see it dump to here. Another doji. Fantastic. Fantastic. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. I think next door neighbor's playing music. I can hear the bass through the walls. Oh, this is exhausting. This is not fun to sit through. Got this mini fair value gap here. Let's see what we do with it. Didn't close outside of it. That's the closure. We're outside of it now. Back into this fair value gap. Oh my. This is excruciating to sit through, I'm not gonna lie. It's like watching paint dry. It's a good reaction. Want to see it close below here. Close outside the fair value gap. Just tagged into it now. I want to see price start to move lower. This is a bearish fair value gap, so ideal situation is we collect orders here and then use it to move lower. Top of the hour in 15 seconds. See this liquidity injection, top of the hour. It is now lunch hour. It is officially lunch hour, where I'm not supposed to be trading. But we entered this trade almost an hour ago. This is the weirdest macro I've sat through in a long time. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, price is having a hard time dumping. We may be BE here. Four seconds left on this candle. 3, 2, 1. Yikes. Yikes. Not good. We inverse this gap here. Not yet inverse this one. Again, we're 6 points from my break even. Yeah. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching and sitting through that. It's looking like we're getting BE on this. Not bad. This was a good learning experience for me. I've not sat through a macro time frame like this in a long time. So take it on the shoulder. Be humble. Be patient. Oh, okay. If the markets don't want to do what you want it to do, it's okay. You gotta be patient. Be humble. Can't let your trade define your day. Can't let it affect your emotions for the day. Can't let it decide how your day is going to go. If you lose your trade, you lose it. If it's good, it's good. Did you follow your rules? Did you make sure did you follow your rules? Did you make sure it met the requirements of your model? And did you execute accordingly? If all of those are yes, regardless if you win or lose, you're doing good. You're doing something right. That was extremely close to my break even. Well, guess I'm still in the trade. Amazing. This is very choppy. Very, very, very choppy. So got this bullish fair value gap now. I swept this liquidity. I want to see this inverse for price to go back lower. Eight seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dump. Damn, $20 in 1 hour. It's kind of funny. It's like minimum. Nah, it's not minimum wage. I didn't say that. It's like the hours you'd make working at like a grocery store. It's like a cash register. Yeah, shorting all-time highs, not for the faint-hearted, not easy. See if we can inverse this fair value gap. That'll be some good confirmation bias. Volume really picked up into lunch hour. Like, you see how slow this was and how volatile it is now? Going into lunch hour, that's like kind of really confusing. So if we close below this, it's an inverse. You know what? I think it will. With the macro ends in 5 minutes. Oh damn, it didn't. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn, that is a premium wick if I've seen one. So we accumulated buy orders here, moving it up. And that should be break even. 20 bucks on the day. How's that for a title on a video? How I made $20 in 1 hour. Two points away.
Order filled.
That's break even. Right there. Well, oh shoot. Well, that was quite the trade. I hope you guys learned something from this. That is definitely the weirdest trade I've had in a long time. And that was good though. Managed my risk. Made sure my confluences are met. Liquidity was swept. Inverse that fair value. Inverse this fair value gap. And then dumped. So take profit was pretty good down here, but didn't meet my requirements. I wanted this draw on liquidity. There wasn't really any major draw except for like right here, which we didn't really find yet. But thank you guys for watching. I'll be doing one of these like every single day. If you learned something, thank you. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Alright, I'll see y'all.